Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. When we say that we want to have flawless skin, we mean that we want to have that perfect skin tone that will make us more confident and happy.
Hyperpigmentation on the skin is really common and it could be because of a lot of different reasons, because of excess sun exposure, eczema, psoriasis, or also could be because you have broken off those pesky acne. So if this is something that bothers you, then worry not. Here are some awesome ways to reduce hyperpigmentation. If you see those fine lines and dark spots, that's likely the damage from the sun. And you know that vitamin C is a powerful ingredient for your skin. It does three things: brightening, lightening, and tightening of your skin. I have been taking these two supplements from the past 1 month, the VC Plus and VC Max alternatively, which are 100% pure vitamin C tablets with the goodness of zinc and vitamin D, launched by Wellsberg Wellness. VC Plus is chewable tablets, while VC Max is effervescent tablet. Because these tablets have anti-aging and antioxidant properties, they will protect and heal your skin from sun damage and pollution. Once you start taking these supplements, you will notice that they give you youthful, radiant, glowing skin. And forget about bad tasting tablets. These supplements have delicious tangy orange flavor that you will fall in love with. So it doesn't have any bad smell, no aftertaste. Absolutely vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free and soy-free supplements. It's very important to keep your skin healthy from inside to get that perfect glow outside. So vitamin C should be your best friend. It nourishes your skin internally and makes your skin healthy. For best results, take these supplements regularly. You can choose between VC Plus and VC Max depending on the kind of tablets that you want to take, and you will see positive results within a month. I have free VC Plus and VC Max for all of you. You can get both of these by participating in the free giveaway by clicking on the link given in the description box. So don't forget to check them out. There is a reason why experts emphasize cleansing routine, because it removes the dirt, the dead skin cells from your skin and the makeup residue or excess oils. A buildup of that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts, which in turn can mess with your skin's even skin tone. So use a mild facial wash for that. That slowing process helps to even out the skin tone and even in some cases fades away the fine lines. So use any scrub. I'm using my favorite coffee olive oil scrub and applying it all over the facial skin to kind of just give that smooth and even skin look. Remaining adequately hydrated is crucial for your skin's health. Dry skin which lacks moisture can appear dull and lifeless and will only emphasize on uneven skin tone. So keep your skin hydrated by applying a good amount of moisturizer morning and evening during the day. Facial oils deliver the much needed nourishment to your skin to combat these issues, and I love using beauty oils, and this one by Vasu has truly become one of my go-to these days. It's a blend of 5 natural oils and it maintains that youthful appearance of the skin by targeting the uneven skin tone, age spots and blemishes that you have on your skin. It's like my everyday ritual that I apply before nighttime, and this is 100% natural with zero minerals, zero silicons or artificial fragrances. So on cleansed face, take 2 to 3 drops of Vasu facial beauty oil and massage it all over the face and neck till it gets absorbed thoroughly. It's super non-sticky, non-greasy and gets absorbed instantly. Who doesn't love sun-kissed skin? But when the sun gets too intense, your skin produces excessive melanin. These harmful ultraviolet rays which ultimately can damage your skin cells and can actually make your skin darker than the rest of the areas. So make it a golden rule to apply loads of sunscreen whenever stepping out, and definitely remember to apply at least an SPF of 50. A good DIY face mask will definitely help you get rid of all the uneven skin tone. What I'm using here is a mixture of gram flour, turmeric and lemon juice. Mix it and apply it all over your facial skin and let it be there for 15 minutes. Now what this is going to do is, it's going to clear all the blemishes, lighten your skin tone and will also make it soft and supple. At the very least, makeup is a good and temporary solution for an uneven skin tone. So things like correctors and concealers can help with blemishes, unevenness, dark circles and discoloration. So just remember to apply some correction before you apply the foundation and make sure to remove your makeup at the end of the day.
I hope this video was helpful. You like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and the bell button for more notifications. I will see you super soon. Bye.